Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to my vlogmas, you guys. It's December 1st. It's the beginning of vlogmas. I've got my hot Ribena. I'm ready to go. We're kicking off vlogmas with a gift haul. I haven't got everything yet, but I've got a lot of things and you might find this useful. Without further ado, let's just get straight into it. I'm not gonna lie, I did blow most of my Christmas budget on my mum and my sister's advent calendar, which wasn't part of the plan, but I did it anyway. So I got my little sister this. This is the Revolution advent calendar, 25 days of glam. I think she's getting me this back, which is so lame, but I'm so excited to test this out. But yeah, my little sister isn't the biggest like glitzy glammy girly girl. She does like a bit of makeup and she wants to get better at it. So I got her this. Oh my gosh, lip liners, sponges, lip oils, matte liquid lip. Oh my gosh. It's actually got everything. There's loads of lip glosses, there's a white eyeliner, there's like, it looks like contour sticks, eyeshadows, blushes, bronzes, translucent powders, brushes. I'm so excited. If I do end up getting this for my advent calendar, you guys know I'll be doing a full unboxing and like reviewing the whole thing because I bought this for her and I was like jealous of it. Like, that's bad. It looks so good. So that's numero uno for my little sister. The next one I got, like I said, I blew my budget on my mum and my sister's advent calendars. These aren't even the dang expensive ones. That's why it's so annoying. This is the number 7 advent calendar. My mum is a ginormous fan of number 7, so I like always get her stuff. Normally she gets herself this. She might have done that this year as well, actually. Anyway, me and my sister joint got her this. Apparently it's worth £205, which is great because I got it for like 50, I think. It's got exfoliating cleanser, retinol night concentrate, microfiling pen brow. I might steal that. Toning water, booster serum, mascara, cleansing water, lipstick. It looks like more lipstick, skin illuminator. I don't know. It looks so good though. These have been sat in my living room for like a month because I'm just like that organized. I do have a confession. I'm not filming this on December 1st. I'm not that organized. Also, like, I work long hours. Like, I did have to pre-film some of these videos. Spoiler alert. Currently, at the time of filming, it's before Thanksgiving. If you're English, that's, I think it's like the 26th or something this year, and I'm gonna go give these presents on the 26th and then they'll have them for December 1st. So today, while you're watching this, they're currently opening the first doors of this, which is so exciting. Thanksgiving is on the 23rd of November this year. So now let's get on to the other gifts. Again, like I said, I haven't got everyone's yet, but I thought I'd just do a little preliminary haul because I only have £8 left. I think I'm referencing a TikTok that hasn't even gone viral, but yeah, I'm buying as I get paid. Let's be honest, I did spend like all of my Christmas budget. I love Christmas presents, you guys. I absolutely love them. Anyway, I'm also giving my little sister like a bit of a, I think they were called burr baskets or something like that. There was a trend for a while. I'm not doing that because I'm not made of money, but I am getting her. By the way, Anna, stop watching, duh, idiot. I got her this. Isn't it so cute? And I'm gonna put the little Santas in it. And it's gonna be adorable. And I'm gonna give her this and a little advent calendar, and that'll be that. Just a little like stocking stuffer. For her main present so far, what I've managed to get her is these Zara perfumes. I got these for her birthday. Oops, it's way too bright. It is light pink. This color isn't working well. I got her the scents Nude Bouquet and Fields at Nightfall. I think I've already got her Nude Bouquet because her birthday's in January. And I am like, so this year I'm getting her makeup, last year I got her perfumes, and I got her some Zara perfumes. She used them up in like 4 months, so this is me like restocking her. These were $12.99. They're really good. I think they are little. I don't want to open them just because. You guys, also, when I have all my presents, I'm gonna do like a full wrapping thing, so stay tuned for that. I loved wrapping my presents on camera last year. I don't know why, it's just so much fun. So I got her those little perfumes because she needs to feel fancy. Next up, we're moving on to my dad. I got him some English breakfast tea. This is also gonna be his little like pre-Christmas gift, I think. Maybe it'll just, no. This was his pre-Christmas gift. So for his birthday, I got him one of those tea strainers and he absolutely loved it. And he's been like going crazy for, you know, those little like tea strainer things, you get like a net ball and you put it in your tea. He's gone crazy for it. I don't really know why. And he's asked me for another thing. So this is just a thing of English breakfast tea. My dad is the English one, if you couldn't tell. But Wittard is just the best. Every time I go in, I get like free samples of like whatever. Oh, that wasn't a screw top. Anyway, it's so fancy. Like, They just, oh, that smell amazing. They are just bougie. If you want like fancy tea, Whittards is the place to go. Okay, so I do have a boyfriend, which means I have in-laws. I have freaking loads of in-laws to get presents for. So this is for my mum and my boyfriend's mum and stepdad. This is like hot chocolate. I'm probably gonna get them more stuff, but like this, as I said, preliminary gift guide, okay? So I've got them again from Whittards. This was very spontaneous, but I didn't really know what to get them, so I'm glad that I saw something. This has, it's a different, okay, it says limited edition creative hot chocolate medley. Don't know. If you've ever been into Whittards, you know they go crazy when it comes to hot chocolate. Like, these guys aren't playing. They have basically every hot chocolate flavor you've ever thought of. They're pretty reasonable as well. I quite like them. They had testers when we went into the store. They had banoffee hot chocolate. I don't know. You guys, I did vlog a shopping day with some of my friends when I got half this stuff. So pretty much every present that I have in this haul, you're gonna see me buy it with my friends. So yeah. Anyway, the flavors are cookies and cream, which is obviously gonna be the best. That's my favorite flavor of all time. Oh, or actually cookie dough as well, but they didn't have that. Anyway, cookies and cream, raspberry ripple, white hot chocolate, raspberry ripple. Who ever heard of pink hot chocolate? When it came to raspberry ripple, we couldn't resist. Pink hot chocolate. Oh my god. Okay, and then the last one is sticky toffee pudding. This is flavored white hot chocolate, gloriously indulgent with a lingering caramel creaminess. I'm not sure if I like sticky toffee pudding. I probably have tried it at some point, but I can't remember if I like it. Anyway, so if you have in-laws that you're not crazy close with and you don't know exactly like, you know, they're not like, you know, with your friends and your close family, you know exactly what to get them. This is going to be great for your aunt who likes a bit of bouginess, maybe your mum-in-law, something like that. This is good. And it was a bargain. I think this was like £20 or something. It was pretty good. I definitely recommend Whittards for like nice gifts. I just think they smash it every time. Okay, next you're gonna have to bear with me if you're not Christian. Close your ears. I don't want this to scare you. The American really came out in me. I bought one of my friends a Bible. That's really weird. It was literally like the American Christian in me and the English Christian in me. Like, the American was like, I should buy my friend a Bible. Like, she's curious about Christianity. She's been coming to the Alpha course with me. Like, she might really appreciate this. So I bought the Bible. And then as soon as it arrived, the English Christian in me came out and was like, what have you done? That's the weirdest. Like, this is not done in England. Buying people Bibles is very done in America. I personally have never been given a Bible by a friend and never given one either, so I am very nervous to do this. But I bought her this study Bible because she's interested and she's been coming to Alpha courses with me, but she was not raised Christian, so she doesn't know like all of the stuff. When this actually arrived, I realized this is actually really intense and she'd probably be better off with like a kid's Bible first. Like, you guys, look at this. I have a Bible like this, but somehow it doesn't feel this intense. Like, this is the text and then these are the footnotes. I don't know, but I prayed about it and God said it was a good idea, so I've done it. I really hope she likes it. If not, she can just give it to someone else. But I feel like it will mean she just has one Bible and she doesn't need anything else. Like, she won't need a study guide or anything. I'm really nervous to give it to her. I'm gonna give it to her tomorrow at our Alpha class. I'm really scared. I'm not gonna wrap it. Like, I'm not gonna go like too much, you know? Like, I'm just gonna be like, oh, I got you this. Like, super casual, like, no biggie, like, whatever, it's fine. Okay, so the last couple things that I got are for my very close friends, the girls who are in all my vlogs, China, Michelle, and Maria. I got them all, so last year, I think last minute in the sales, like the pre-Christmas sales, I got a bunch of like ornaments and they had them at House of Fraser and they were beautiful. I got one of my friends the prettiest little like blue China teapot. It's like this big. It's so beautiful. Anyway, I thought I'd do the same thing this year, but I went to Tiger, so they're less bougie, but they are just like cute ones that you can like, you don't even have to put them on your tree, you can put them anywhere. First up, Maria, I know you're watching this while you're eating your breakfast. Skip ahead, okay? Skip ahead. I got her the most elegant and classy one because she is elegant and classy, and I wanted to keep it classy and traditional with her, so I just got her this very simple one. But these are just fun, like they're just a little cute thing that you can hang off the side of a gift bag, and they're just cheap and cheerful and they're lovely. And I will be doing this forever now. Like, this is the cutest little thing when you give a gift back, like there's just one part of the present is out already, you're like, ah! And it helps with Christmas decorating. So yeah, me and my friends are doing our Christmas on, get this, the 1st of December, I think, because one of our friends is going home like really soon and the other one is going home after that. And so I always have to do my Christmases pretty early on in December. So yes, these ones will be out of my house pretty quickly. But we're gonna have a little roast and I'm gonna give them these. It's gonna be so cute. All right, Maria, you can listen again now. Next one, don't get the wrong idea about this. This is for my friend China. She's a gin connoisseur. This is a little, it says let Christmas be gin, 100% festive spirit. It's just cute. She's got such a palette on her, this girl. She's incredible. Like any kind of gin tasting, she knows what she's talking about. She's a classy lady when it comes to the gin. She knows what she's talking about. So I saw that and thought of her. And then I was out with other friends who know her later on, and they picked up the same ornament and they went, oh, that's so China. And I was like, let's go. This last one is a mistake, but it's just funny and stupid. So my darling friend Michelle, she lives opposite a Japanese sushi place. I misremembered, and in my head she lives opposite a Chinese place. So I got her this as a little like memory of her flat. And then one night, just as I was falling asleep, I realized she lives across from a Japanese sushi place, not a Chinese takeaway. So this is so, you would think, oh, so this ornament is now completely useless. It's even worse than completely useless because my friend Michelle grew up in China. So I absolutely cannot give her this. I don't even know if I have the receipt. This might just have to be my ornament now that I remember as me being really dumb. So I have to go out and get her a different ornament, one that actually makes sense. Maybe I have seen like funky little sushi ones, so maybe I'll manage to find one. I swear I'm not being culturally inappropriate. In the moment, I was overwhelmed on Christmas shopping and I just thought, I think that makes sense somehow. I mean, I'm half right. She did grow up in China, but I still feel like that is just not tasteful, probably. Anyway, so I'm not gonna do that. But you guys know that I was gonna do that. So as long as nobody tells Michelle, we're gonna be fine. So in my group, we do also do Secret Santa, but I'm gonna do that in a separate video. Will I though? This year, my victim was China. Oh, this is confusing. Yes, one of my friends is called China and one of them is from China and they're not the same girl. Oh, maybe I could give this to China. Still, yeah, I don't quite know. Anyway, so my friend China, who's not from China, she's actually from France. Figure that one out. She is my Secret Santa. And so, even before I knew she was my Secret Santa, I got her a set of like interesting teas. I don't know how else to explain it. They're like different flavored teas, but they had cherry blossom on it and she loves cherry blossom, so I got her that. I'll go grab it in a minute, maybe, if I remember to. I don't know if I will, to be honest. I've edited these videos before. I know how many things I say that I don't finish. But the main thing she wanted, that she said in passing, was, well, it wasn't even the main thing. This is one thing that she said that I was like, I can actually do that. She wanted little coffee pumpers, which ironically enough is what I asked for my Secret Santa, so that's where she got the idea from. Man, I'm slurping this Ribena, it's so good. Right, let's see if I can get this out. So I ordered these off Amazon. I actually haven't opened them yet. Oh, they came upside down, classic. Oh my god, they're massive. These are probably like the classic TikTok ones. It's so funny. They even come with these labels that have like the TikTok style font that you always see. Almond, amaretto, brown sugar, cinnamon. It only comes with 2 because I'm not made of money. I didn't get loads, but I figured 2 pumps is fine. These were £16 on Amazon for 2. And they have these. I think that's a nice pump. And then the bottles are actually way bigger than I imagined, which is not normally the way around it is on Amazon. Normally everything's smaller than you're expecting. And it's proper glass. These are great gifts. Oh my goodness. Yet again, I told you I'm good at Christmas gifts. So there's a filter, there's all sorts. It's all going on. Let me put this back. So yes, I'm gonna get her something else, obviously though, because I love this girl to death. She's absolutely the best. I just don't quite know what. She gave me a full list, so I might get her something else small. But we always say a £20 limit for our Secret Santa. Every year, we've done this for like 3 years, I think. We always put a limit on the spending, and none of us ever keep to it, ever. Also, the funny thing is I organised the Secret Santa this year. I know who my Secret Santa is, but I genuinely cannot remember who I gave myself to. I think it might have been Maria, I don't really know. I don't know. Let me get that tea. This is the tea. I saw this weeks ago and I was like, that's completely, haha, I said this is the tea. I was like, this is completely my friend China. She's gonna absolutely love this. And then I got her as my Secret Santa, so double whammy. For my wrapping this year, I don't know if you guys saw, last year I really went ham on it. I went for like elegant, old money, traditional, the whole shebang. But the one thing I was missing was satin ribbons. So I got myself 2 satin ribbons, the classic colours. These ones are just from Tiger. I think they were like £1.50 each. And then I got these like more fabricy ones. Is that ASMR? I don't know. But yes, as you can see, there's a lot of holes in this Christmas haul, namely being my boyfriend, which is scary. I'm pretty sure I know what he wants, but it's all cooking implements. I feel like that's rude, but that's all he seems to want. But I have done him an advent calendar, so I think that video will be coming out tomorrow. So I have got him stuff. Anyway, I'm also missing a present from my mum and my dad. There's a lot of holes. And my boyfriend's dad. Yeah, there's a lot of holes. But this is preliminary, and this is what I've managed so far. And you know what? I'm pretty chuffed with myself. Seeing as the budget is £8, I've done pretty well. So yeah, you guys, I hope this has like sort of inspired you or helped a little bit. I know Christmas shopping can be so stressful. If it helps, I keep a list on my phone pretty much the whole year. That helps with birthdays as well, and then anytime anyone mentions something, I just write it down. But I have dropped the ball when it comes to my parents this year. I don't really know what to get them. Anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe, because I'll be doing the whole of Vlogmas this year, so subscribe to join. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Oh wait, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!